Slow busted name game on rhyme like Poe, cause I rhyme like gold. I rhyme like I be climbing out that rose. The 9, I let it blow, put 5 up in your clothes. Headshots leave you slumped up, reclining at your door. Oh, this is blasphemy. Your whole entire career pattern after me. I got shooters out in Cali that'll blasphemy. You forgot I put your chest where your back should be. Text squeeze off rapidly. I'm in Paris at the Plaza, blood, ask for me. You little ungrateful bastard, forgot to say your grace after meal. Now bow down, pay homage, and ask to breathe. Yeah, Shyne Michael and Moses, homicidal motives. You thinking this is showbiz? I put you with the blowfish, hand on my toasters, Lamborghini roasters. I gave these rappers life, but I turned them into ghosts. My little apostle, gospel, new God flow. I blew breath into your nostrils. Only God knows I'm the idol that you bow to. Realest alive, your red flag is a costume. This mobster's Jewish, the talk is useless. You want a box, I put you in a box with embalming fluid. I bomb with Rugers, dump you in the pond, you sewage. I put that on Big Wolf, I ain't suing. Hold up. Get what you came for. You the big bad blood. What you scared for? I shoot that butterfly off your face. Tell Jesus peace, and I'ma smile at your wake. Gangland, yeah.